Hello, and this is Tara, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am doing a crayon case unboxing to show you the products that I ordered. Once a year, I think she do like a free shipping type thing, and I just found this out when I placed my order. I just happened to see someone comment on her on Facebook about every time I get ready to order and doing the whatever sale she just had, whatever type of special she just had, which is sad because I ordered and then everything already sells out. But she was saying that the time zones are different too. So by the time it starts on in my time zone, it's already starting your time zone, and people in your time zone are um you know already on the website. I believe her name is Super, the creator of the crayon case. Now, I'm a very casual type person. I don't wear makeup every day. When I come on to my channel and I put makeup on or do makeup tutorials, that's the only time I pretty much wear makeup. I may fill my eyebrows in, but I put on chapstick every day. And this is how I go to work. I don't have no makeup on my face at all. None. No moisturizer. I'm oily to normal. In the summertime, I'm a little bit more oily. And what I don't want to do is I don't want to dry my skin out and take those oils out and cause all kind of wrinkles and things like that. And so I've been using alcohol on my face. Yeah, I have. And it's just 50%. Most products that we use have alcohols in it anyway, but this alcohol is just 50%. And I'm using Clean and Clear, the lemon brand, to cleanse my face every day. I did a scrub Tuesday or Wednesday. I do have issues with pores a little bit right there. Let me see, but they're not as bad as everyone else. So, without further ado, let me show you what's in the box. Okay, let me turn the phone around and hopefully we can get it. This is not Crayon case. This is Crayon's case. Okay, merchandise shipping slip. And then this is the return if I want to return anything. And this is what actually came in the box. Okay, this, and this. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to turn the phone. I hope y'all can really see it. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just going to turn the phone back around to me, and then I'm going to inside the box like that, some kind of way. Well, I can do some swatching maybe. These are fermented. These are like new mini brushes. Okay, and they had for Christmas they had this set fermented. Well, you get these 3 brushes, and I think I'm gonna just love these. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the chalk dust. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna take it out the box. And this is some of the dust actually got out of the packaging, and this is what it looked like. And this is a setting powder, you guys. Okay, and it's in the color white. Like that. So see, how it kind of, but this is a sponge, okay, and this is what it looks like with the little holes, and I got some of it on my fingers, okay, if you all can see it, and then let's just kind of rub it on. Okay, so the next thing I bought, I never give you all prices either. I don't understand that, but I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start doing better by these videos. Okay, and this is the crayon case. See. Okay. This is washable eye glue. And so, this is your eyelash glue, really. Okay. Well, okay. And this is, I didn't actually think that this was white, and it's called whiteout. Okay, and it is a eyeliner. You know, like I wouldn't buy this again because first of all, it's a liquid liner. Look how small this container is. And you know they already done put a lot of product in the first place. And so this is a liquid liner. And let's say if I was just gonna line, see, if I was gonna do my waterline or something. Okay. And it's actually white. Okay, and the last but not least, the next product that I have is Watch Me Blush from the Crayon case. Okay, and let's take it out the box. Watch Me Blush, pretty. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and these are the colors. Okay, so we are at almost 10 minutes in this video. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to swatch the colors for you right quick, and maybe the next video I will do a try a try it on. So what we have right here is cobbler, tangerine, which is pretty, and cranberry. Okay, cobbler, tangerine, cranberry. So it's 10 colors in this palette. And look how pigmented they are. Okay. This is berry. And this is hot cocoa. Okay. Berry, hot cocoa. Berry and hot cocoa. Cobbler, tangerine, cranberry. Look at that. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see on the dark side of me if I can swatch, because that's really tells what it looks like on dark skin. People, hot cocoa, cobbler, tangerine, cranberry, ooh, and berries. Oh, you guys, how pretty. Okay. Yeah. And that hot cocoa, it's like, okay. So now with my other 5 fingers, hot cocoa, cobbler, tangerine, cranberry, and berries. So then at the bottom we have outsider, strawberry cream, old banana, cappuccino, and sweet tea. And I know all these colors over here, these neutral colors, the berry is more of a deep purple. I know I'm gonna love these colors. These colors over here, I love because of the pigmentation, but because I'm not a makeup wearer like that, it's gonna take a minute for me to actually learn how to play with these. So let's go in here with my clean fingers, okay? And outsider. Ooh, that's a shimmer. Strawberry cream. A satin top. Ooh, old banana. Oh my God. Cappuccino. Ooh, and sweet tea. Oh my freaking God. Look, sweet tea. Look at that. Can you all see that? Sweet tea. Look at the colors. Ooh. Cappuccino. And very little fallout, you guys. Old banana. And can y'all see the satin shimmer type finish on these colors? Strawberry cream. Beautiful. And look at that blue. Outsider. Look at that. Ooh. Girl, these are beautiful. I'm gonna mess up a little bit, but and Ooh. So let me put my phone up, you guys, so you all see up close. Look at that. Look at these colors. Look at the pigmentation on these colors. Girl, go on, super. You better go on with these colors. So, let me know in the comments below if you all have this palette. Okay, y'all know I'm just putting everything back up. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment below. Turn your notifications on. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a lot to me. I watch a lot of channels all the time when I'm not at work, and some of them when I'm at work I'm just listening. So thank you. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can know when I post, and thumbs up my video. Thanks. Bye.